Etie for story be abeto medex so na very very funny. Em say me read it through no ma stressa na me read atremo na yehu de eko. Star FM for a report say man me bia we di 30 utumu say wenyin. Police for action. As the event as we subscribe and click the notification bell no and no let that screen so Mr. We are latest post we about once ever na etie for young concept so Mami police for action no say why there police for say almost steady say sebe omo be sorry no na obi abeja ne nan omo be sorry na tese obi akoti efi sebe say who did afa cheme omo be sorry no na obi akoti efi at police station ho omo be sorry no obi akoti efi at police for na ntia say no one walk kuku draw sa police station dey trust say wo dey sebe janan bia uwie ya no wa ja wakoja na ya to ho no na police ba ko ye na jo say da bi asem we dia na ade we die ohun ne say etai si ahomache nti yonda obe lay surveillance ase wo ko chikronfo no wo lay ambush the police dey lay ambush ya say mami ready yesu say mami na wo be run ho a wo kutu police for no e for mu atrese wo ya go hoyi e na police for say tese sa wo na say bi wudi mbu asem sei eni tese etie for article no e da ha say na me din kan tell no Star FM 4 and a report into me with the was say a woman has been arrested by the police at Nkrakine in the eastern region for defecating at a police station. Sheila Kwao, popularly known as Mother, not just a guy name and a nickname no almost friend Mother. Sheila Kwao, popularly known as Mother, was arrested on the dawn of Friday, September 6, 2019, after a police officer laid surveillance. The 30-year-old hairdresser, notorious for the practice, has turned the compound of the police station into a place of convenience. Not as one no there. A diner what team no. And if you know what team no, yes, if you know, Sabe, Jana Bia Amy ho. Into one on what the police station for no ho. And a higher place of convenience. What the other Jana Bia de Bia Wojan and I at ho. Now, your child story no so say she usually defecates into a polythene bag, wraps it and deposits on the compound of the station. Or does the act in the open as done. Hey! That is a see oko egu rubber bag we are now achiche no wa beto at police station ho ana say ahomache na wa sorry na say no de wa ba police station ho ankasa na wa be kotu form ho na say wa yo egu ho asem the suspect stays in a house without a toilet facility adjacent to the police station. Just say what in the police station ho na a diner what team no and if you know team no toilet facility anyhow. She was highly suspected by the law enforcers and had previously rained insults on them when she was once confronted. Not to say, police for no who said that be same way there. And mami ya into police for no echo and say, Mammy, you need someone who you will say, a mboasem jai. Now, you say, a hono, send your mammy no be police for nothing. Would you want them a police for no who say, yes, you did at them? What's a share? Me to me a BBC. What ba me see me who say? Me to me a BBC. Just say, what the police for not? I'm police for no. So it sounds like we need evidence. No, you say evidence is the name of the game. Who are evidence and now they are back. Police for need evidence into no. My minute the omaten free into police for no want to me anyway. Into no almost say okay. Now, I say according to the local police, they have been sweeping human excreta almost every day. Therefore, believes the arrest of Mother will serve as a deterrent to others. Not to say, one more say police for no, one more compound no, they be one more bed you memo, police for bed you memo sebe, one more bed born for one by no, one more by sebe, ni peja nine and a one more bed pra. Why show say police ni be finish say one bed you mem. Na woko eju mema, dia woko to ni peja na just every single day when him say woko pra dia. Yes, and a police penifo no commanders ni we no mo nyo omo ko proud nkola no police nkola omo mu re mu nche ye no young police no man actually say yebe mo akọ prasa ejanan way. Now see, it is estimated that close to 19% of Ghana's total population practice open defecation daily. Now, when put the open defecation there, there ewo Ghana say nkrofo ekoja wo monan ewo abonte no there etaisi ewo Ghana. But unsrade feria they say police wenim. Police station compound. Now, police one so abema one say wo mususu say yewo. Wo de we di omo atemewie no nanka jaye. At least ujaya wo mu mehu say yewo. Na we di omo atemewie no you were still doing it. Ama also we on machekra ekoye. Now, me reading some comments on this. Now, who the Nkrofo Eka will be saying, see how proud she looks. She's like, oh yeah, I did it, man. Send your way who my man on the picture at our screen. So no, they will be kind of say, as a man in the crowd, no, in front of him, or say, hey, me and my yet, then I'm over to me. I am it. Asamo will be say shitting woman. Will be say shitting woman. Hey, Ghana. Obviously, I don't care whether she did it or not. She's beautiful. And only asema will be can say, "What share my mena? Ne who offer into another and find home say my mena or ye and now one yet." Obviously, she's very comfortable for doing it. And only asema will be so. Can say you want to the picture. Watching a kunja a day now to move on the asema and find home. Obviously, I love her smiles. In fact, this lady is ready to dedicate again to her. I will rather asema. One of the story we bring the same in here. I say me crazy. Ghana there. Yet in some oh David. I some way there. Hey, Ghana home. Send your Nkrofo ewo akukudro eye nyama bi won. Na kasa akukudro ni nia yetumi translate echo the business side of our lives etie for na Nkrofo bebrebe die ewo Ghana. Wo hwese ne ebi mutumi ye serious wo sebe insemfun bi so akukudro a wo bitumi nya de ko di insemfun tumi se sa nipa no wo de sa same akukudro no share ne business mu ana wo de sa same akukudro no start a business on his own ana her owner na ka obo say business no betumpon. Obi say we the civilians we like to tell the police to keep calm as we carry out our investigation. Obi say let her be. After all, every dedication is shit. Hey, Obi say, Ghana journalist, assuming she's your mother, will you show her face? What kind of disgrace is these circumstances? Can let her do that. Okay, and then Asema will be say, journalist, I don't say musho mami no nenim. Now, Mr. So said the entire police for the crowd in the first place. Now, the police for the Nakomu release the story in my media, and then Nakomu release my in the picture. But the entire police for the year say in the crowd say. Me read this story next show. Say police for who say maame no. They suspected say maame no. Ema wo mo kwaka kire no. Ama maame ni di omo atem. Masa. Say who say wo bi ye bibi. Eno na ma Nkrofo tumi chi kronfo ebu no kunu no. Because when who say akra we na obo me kron no. Na me kokko kan say akra we na ebo me kron no. Chese we di matem ma wo obo me duane a. Na later we ko who say indeed ono na obo kron no. Then na de be no. Uchi na obo pu no kre kunu. From the police side, no, I'm not trying to speak for them, but observing from outside, no, that's what I'm seeing. Say, Ebia mami, womo kwakache na wo be di omo atem no, e na womo so womo che no no, ebufuo ba say ye wa e na wudi atem. Ati ase. Eno ene nsema Nkrofo Eka, obi say, do you expect her to do it in my room? Eno ya nsema will be Eka. Obi say, house witches at work. Obi say, I couldn't believe I'm seeing this on your page. Why showing her face for this minor crime? And also, ne asema will be can no be say, same way, Ebeka Kosi saying, wait there, me nim law mumum, but I think this will be just a misdemeanor. Way in your case, be our Obeka say, nunti, wo ko chini pakono, ako prison, that be, cases be say no, for fine. A countermount to a sanitation breach. Now I don't know say Ghana has a who breaches sanitation you bet to me actually to man bibi. I don't know. Ebia say you bet to me actually to man. We need to actually look at Ghana your laws nibium because things like this ebia ni pakono ye beka say won't you fine. When tia one beka say obia uncle efiase for 2 months and 4 months. things like this, we don't actually need to bring a fiase. What I said, we don't need to bring prison. Dear, you bet to me, I say, Inyama be saying, no, na yama ebi ane pakono, yama ni baby, say, oh, sanitation, we breach sanitation into no, own treat a ho, what I say, we nebia, police for no, one man or ebia, more office ho, say, oh, ebia for 1 year, and now, oh, the 1 year door, so ebia for 4 months, baby, I will be pra ho, and I will be treat ho, what I say, into no baby sano, I think, misdemeanor. But Ghana there, don't be surprised if you tell some mami ya chinatum, because as a woman ni bino ena emrano ediomo se will be there wobe lawyer papa na lawyer no akokama ne tie for eno ne nsem a eda o che wadwen e comment box ni mo me da say